Hello friend and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to top up your ByBit wallet balance without any commission. So first of all, open the application. If you don't have it still, you will see the link for quick registration in a few seconds. Please follow it. And when you already have an account, please press Buy Crypto button. And here we will choose the P2P trading method, which is very easy, fast, and will help you to top up the wallet balance without any commissions. First of all, you will need to choose which stablecoin you will buy. So you see three options: USDT, USDC, and Bitcoin. I recommend you to buy USDT, as this stablecoin is closest to United States dollar. It's 1-to-1, and it will be easy for you to make your calculations in dollars. So choose USDT on the left side, and then you will choose the currency of your country, currency of your card, with which you are going to top up your balance. So, as I am from Ukraine, I will choose Ukrainian hryvnia. And on our screen, I see a lot of sellers who are ready to sell me their USDT right now. Press all payments methods and choose the bank or other payment method which you can use inside your country. For me, it's application Monobank. Here it is. And here we can see sellers who is able to sell some dollars to us. You can choose even exchange rate, which is the most suitable for you. Do you see? I can buy $1 with 39.49. So on top there is the best exchange rate. And if I will go a little bit down, I can see another ones. So please be very careful and check the rate of every seller. So first one, we see that he has 823 orders and 99% of them finished successfully. It means that this seller can be trusted. So basically, I see here all the sellers with a good rate. But if you will see something like 60%, 70%, I wouldn't recommend using such exchanges. So also we see that every seller has its own transaction limits. So also you will need to find that one who propose suitable levels for you. For me, first one is just perfect, so I am going to buy USDT from him. I'm pressing buy, and I'm entering the amount of hryvnia for which I'm going to buy. Do you see? I will receive $5. So this is just to show you how it works. Then you're pressing buy. So you see there was a button 0 fee. You see the details of your order. You are checking the amount, the price, and how much you will receive. If everything is okay, you have 15 minutes to make your payment. Press Pay Now. Here you will see the account details of a person to whom you will send money inside the application which you have chosen, inside your country's bank or some applications like Wise, EDV Cash, etc., which works for your country. So you're copying the requisites and you're going to pay in your application. Once the payment is done, press the button Payment Completed. Confirm. Now seller has 10 minutes to release your coins. Wait a little bit and you will receive your USDT. Completed. Do you see? It was very fast, and we received our $5 and now we can trade. So first of all, your dollars will fall on funding account. Do you see I had there some $1 extra, so you will need to transfer them to spot account. Press transfer. Choose to which account you will transfer coins. Do you see you can also transfer it to earn, spot, derivatives, USDC derivatives account. So I'm choosing spot account. I'm choosing coin, we bought USDT, and I'm choosing amount. So actually I bought 5, but I will transfer all what I have. And press confirm. Your money have been transferred and now you can use them for trading. In next video, I will show you how to trade on spot account. If this video was useful for you, please press the like button, write a comment, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much and see you in next video.